Hello everyone, today I will introduce you new Depin products. It is big hit now, start from 2025, start for only for this year. It is MyGate Network Depin, the first Depin to be backed and supported by Solana Foundation. So it will be very great. This one we will start to register. You can copy the link here and paste to Google Chrome. Okay, here you will sign in here. With this project you will sign in by Google account. Now you press to login. Okay, I will continue with my account, Google account. Okay, continue. Okay, it's already login, and then you will download extension here, or you can back to here and copy this link and paste to Google Chrome to download extension, or you can download direct from here also. Now I will press here to download. Okay, add to Chrome. Okay, add extension. Okay, it's done. I will pin it. Okay, pin it here. Easy to see. Now you will log in with your account, Google account. You just register. Log in. Okay, log in. Wait a moment. Okay, that's all. Here you can easy to see something here, some picture here. Okay, here you can copy referral links to share to your friend. Every your friend register, you can plus 1000 points. Okay, that's all. Good luck to you. Happy New Year. Please share this link to more people know and register. Thank you so much.